What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Patreon account. So I've made a series of videos on Patreon, one of which is how to create a Patreon account and how to go live on Patreon account. If you want to check out the Patreon series, make sure to check the links in the description box below. So today I'm going to be showing you how to delete Patreon accounts because I actually got this as a question in my comment section. So let's get right into it. If you are new here, my name is Victoria and I am a business vlogger. If any of my content interests you, make sure to click on the subscribe button just down there and tap the notification bell beside it. Like this video, share this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section. So you want to make sure that you are signed into your Patreon account. So this is the Patreon account that I'll be using as a demo for this tutorial. This is also the Patreon account I created for the Patreon creation tutorial. So right now what you need to do is go to the right hand side, the upper right side of your Patreon home of your dashboard. Then you go to my profile settings. So once you go to my profile settings, you scroll down. On this page there's nothing that says that you can delete or pause or anything like that on this page. So what you need to do is, here it says if you are looking for creator settings, click here. So just click that and it will bring you to another page. Great. So on this page, scroll down and then you will see this unlaunch creator page. So this is where you will be unlaunching your creator page. Patreon was set up in such a way that you can't just say you want to delete your account and just delete it and bam, your account is deleted. So what they are saying here is that you can only unlaunch your creator page. I don't know if you unlaunch your creator page and you did not relaunch it for a particular number of months, probably they will delete it or anything like that. But the first step to deleting your account or to making sure that your account is out of the Patreon's orb is for you to unlaunch your creator page. So patrons will not be able to access your creator page and Patreon billing will be suspended. We'll keep your creator page content and Patreon information, including pledges, in case you decide to launch your page at a later date. And if you want to read more about it, you can just click on the learn more and you'll be able to read more about this. So here you can read more about it and that's it. So right now I'll go ahead with the unlaunching. So let's go back and then you just click on unlaunch your creator page. Then it brings you this, confirm that you would like to unlaunch your page. So if you launch your page in the future, you'll be subject to Patreon standard pricing at that time. If you just need to take a short break, we recommend keeping your page published and pausing the upcoming billing cycle. So you can do that instead. If you just want to take a short break, you can just pause your billing cycle instead of unlaunching. But if you still want to go on about unlaunching your page, then you just click on confirm. So your page has been officially unlaunched. As you can see, everything on this page has disappeared. Everything has disappeared. So it's now prompting me to become a creator. Now you're almost there, complete your page. And so this means that let's say people are looking for me if they will find me. So right now I'm just going to see if people can still find my page on Patreon after I've unlaunched it. Patreon.com/overseas nursing UK. So let's look for it, and this is what it brings out. As you can see, there is no content on it, and there's nothing like join this Patreon or support this Patreon or anything like that. So once you've done that, once you follow this tutorial, you have successfully unlaunched your Patreon. So I was actually hoping that they are going to send me a mail to confirm that I have unlaunched my creator account, but I guess they don't do that, because I've waited for like 2 minutes now and I didn't get any mail. If I get any mail later on, I'm going to update it in the description box below for you guys. So that is how you delete or unlaunch your creator account. And at any time in the future, if you decide that you want to go ahead, you want to continue, as in you want to relaunch your account, you can just go to patreon.com and then you'll be able to finish my page. This is what it will bring to you: become a creator, finish my page, and you just finish your page. Then you'll be able to set everything over again and then launch. So I hope this has been helpful, guys. Thanks for watching.
So I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So have you ever thought of closing down your Amazon account for whatever reason, or you actually want to communicate with the Amazon customer care service people and you've been wondering how to do that? Well, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually close down your Amazon account if you don't want it anymore. So are you looking to delete your Payoneer account for one reason or the other? There are lots of reasons why people actually try to delete a Payoneer account. So whatever the reason is, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually delete your Payoneer account. Keep watching. Ever wondered how you can get a functional US or UK bank account? Well, you can, no matter where in the world you are, and that's exactly what this video is about. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get your Payoneer virtual bank account details.